Have you ever applied a lot of jobs but you did not get any replies from employers or interviewers? Are you aware that a bad resume can actually cause you to lose the chance of getting interview? Today we are going to share with you what are the common mistakes in a resume and how to create an error-free resume. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, welcome to Job Majestic channel. I'm Jess. I have more than 7 years experience in talent management and recruitment industry. Our video will be focusing on the content about job interviews or anything related about work. If you like the content like this, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to follow our Instagram and Facebook. Our video will be uploaded on every Monday at 7 PM. Today, we are going to share with you some of the common mistakes in resume that I always see. And do you understand that a well-written resume can actually boost the chances of getting interview? And it also can help to reduce the pain of HR or employer for filtering the right candidates. If you ever work as a HR or if you ever hired a person before, you should understand that the pain of getting tons of bad resumes. So today, I'm going to show you some of the real examples of bad resumes that I have seen before. The first common mistake is profile photo. Most of the times, a lot of people have no idea what kind of profile photos they should put in their resume, or sometimes they just submit their resume without any single profile photo. I've seen people put some weird profile photos in their resume, something like selfie, group photo, cartoon, or any weird photos that you can ever imagine. You could choose the most recent bareheaded photo from the past 6 months. It could be front view or side front view, or a clear half body length picture. That should be good enough. The second common mistake is no contact details or weird contact details. Could you imagine how frustrated a HR or employer could be when they want to call the candidate up and realize there's no contact details in the resume? I've also seen some of the people put weird or strange email address like Lonely Guy, Superman, FU. So please do not do this. Instead, you could use an appropriate email address in the resume. For example, for me, I would personally use my name to be the email address. For example, jeslau@gmail.com. Then that should be good enough. The third common mistake is the sequence of past work experiences. I realize this is a pretty common mistake that I always see in a resume. A lot of people always mix up different experiences in the resume. For example, full-time, freelance, and part-time experiences all together. The correct method should be always start with the most recent work experiences and categorize full-time, freelance, and part-time experiences so that the employer could understand your background in a better way. The fourth mistake would be grammatical errors. A resume that's full of grammatical errors will make people feel like you are not professional enough. Sometimes I understand that maybe your English is not really good, but there are also a lot of softwares out there could help you to check your grammatical mistakes. For example, I personally would recommend to use Fluent Express. Fluent Express is a software where a lot of native English speakers will check your grammar mistakes. So always double check your resume before submit to any interviewers or employers. The fifth one would be hobbies and interests. Most of the times, a lot of people would confuse if they should include hobbies and interests in the resume. However, I feel like hobbies and interests are not the two main focus in the resume. I have seen people putting hobbies like sleeping, watching TV in the resume, which I think is not professional at all. So if it's possible, you could just skip these hobbies and interests in your resume. When you write a resume, the best way is try to keep it less than 5 pages. The best way is to make it 1 to 2 pages, and that should be good enough. Actually, it's pretty easy to write a resume these days. There are plenty of softwares and resume templates you could download online. I personally would recommend you to use Canva if you want to have a good design of a resume. If you want to have some resume templates, we have included in these comment sections. By clicking the link in the comment sections, you could download from there. Besides that, if you could have some recommendation letters from your ex-colleagues, ex-bosses, or ex-superiors, it could actually boost the chances of getting interviewed. Please do not forget to include the contact details of your referrals so that the employers or HR could contact your referrals easily. If you think this video is helpful for you and your friend, please share it and like it. If you have any questions, please leave your questions in the comment section. We will try our best to answer it. If you want to have some free resume template, you can download it from the link from the comment section. I'm Jess. I would like to see you next Monday at 7 PM.